Hello, Michael G here, Mad Michael G with MadWrexx, doing a new video. Haven't done one in a while as MadWrexx was in the shop getting a new transmission from being a little fried during the summer when it was hot. So I haven't done too many videos recently, but this is what I've done recently, and that's the white chain on the body kit that you see. Just glued it on there with Gorilla Glued and use spray. Use a accelerator spray to make the glue dry faster. Looks pretty clean for the most part. It's not perfect, but nothing is on this car naturally. But it looks pretty good for the most part. And then the roof rack, of course, that I took off MadMaxx, along with all the other lights that will be going on MadWrexx soon. So still lots to do, a lot of ideas, just lots of time and money, but especially time. And the lights, as you can see, both have a red dot right in the very center, and they all line up pretty evenly, everything from top to bottom, side to side. So there's definitely a pinnacle in every point of the car, especially in the center. So keep watching and more videos will be made. Dislike or like. Thank you.